Hey guys, my name's Ben with RestoTuner.com. We have Curtis's Del Sol here in the garage that we've been doing some work on. We have gotten some feedback for our S2000 Style Antenna Kit for the Del Sol that you guys would like an installation video. So while we have this car here in the garage, we figured it would be a good time to do that. So let's get started. So ideally with our kit, you're going to be able to do this installation from the outside of the car, right here at the antenna. But I would like to note that these cars are at least 20 years old at this point, and it could be different based on your vehicle. A lot of times in these tubes, you'll get rust build up in there, some kind of corrosion, and it'll be really tough to get these antenna masts out. So if that's the case, it's going to take a little bit more for this install, but still worth it. So we have the tool from Honda here, and we will link the part number below for that. We would really recommend that you use this tool or a similar tool and not the usual plier and screwdriver method to get that out, because you will damage something doing that. So with that, slide that tool on here to get this nut off. And if it is tight, we already have this loosened up a little bit, so if it is tight, just slip a socket on there and use a ratchet. So you're going to want to take that nut off there so you have access to your antenna, and then this is the mast that you're going to want to remove here, and we had already pulled this out, so it's a little bit easier. Some will pull right out, others you can get a pair of pliers right on here and kind of wiggle it a little bit and it should pull right out. So from there, you will take the adapter that we've included in our kit, and that will go inside of the shaft antenna housing, like so. You can then take the nut that you just removed, install that back over top of that adapter. Get your tool back out. Lock that back down. Once that's tight, you can take the antenna that was included with your kit, and that will thread right into the adapter. Just get that on there hand tight. You don't want to force it much past that, and then from there it's tight and you're done.